Oh! Welcome to a new video. In today's video, we're doing a YouTube group ride. We got Pedal with Oxy, 843 MTBL. We got MTB with Henry. We got Mr. Sully. What's up? And then we got me. And we're just gonna be riding around. Yeah, we got 5 places we're gonna go. We're just gonna ride around, do a bunch of wheelies. I got my new bike and the salsa timber track.
It's so clean!
Into the video.
Hookworms though.
And these are like street divers, bro.
Hookworms.
Alright, bro. We are riding.
The angle is so bad! Oh well.
You can see it on your phone.
Yeah, I know.
No, I was asking. I didn't know that.
Oh, yeah. Oh, I got it good. I got it good for long form. When I'm doing short form, I just show like just my bike and things.
Wait, how do you check it out?
You have to enable the. Hold on, let me do it for you. Oh, hold on.
Do I have to stop recording?
Yeah.
Alright, I'm gonna play it and I'm gonna check it on my phone. Alright, we're recording. I can check this on my phone. So that's pretty cool. Now I can see what the camera looks like. I can see what y'all are seeing. Oh, there's studios. Nice coding. Alright, I'm gonna pop a wheelie up and put this in my bag. Hopefully it doesn't do anything. Can't turn and do all this stuff. No! Where's your phone? It's so windy, I feel really bad. For the audio, I'm gonna have to figure out how to cut that. Alright, do one hand up here. The wind is so strong.
Yo!
Guys, come on! Yeah, I'm coming. Hit the jump. Low key, it is windy, bro. The mic's gonna be filled up with. Yeah.
You don't have a muffler for it.
I don't have one. My dad might.
Yeah. No, I'm gonna start cursing to the max. I'm gonna start cursing to the max.
Yeah. Wait, I want to show you a trick.
No!
I'll tap for brakes. Can I rev your e-bike?
Can I rev your e-bike?
Into it, itch.
Can I ride the e-bike?
Yeah.
Can I ride the e-bike?
GoPro to GoPro. It's gotta be like that alien meme picture. Put our GoPros together. No!
Ride the bikes, bro. You guys go so slow.
Alright, fine. The wind is so loud! Sully! It doesn't look like it is windy. By the way, my voice sounds weird, and I'm a little bit, like my throat's a little bit sore. It's the pollen, I think. My allergies. I'll pop it up for you. I'm gonna cut up.
Before GT6, get your dumb ass in.
Alright. Yo, Sully. I can do seat standards manuals and frame stands on it.
You should tilt your seat more, just a little bit.
Yeah. I haven't done that yet.
Oh.
I need to speak better. I keep like having problems speaking. I keep losing track of what I'm saying. Alright, but I haven't talked about the mods on the bike yet, so I'm gonna try to talk about the mods. So I bought it like this for my birthday. So first up, it's the Salsa Timberjack frame. It has Fox 32 suspension, Deity grips. You got the Diddy grips, bars, carbon bars, and pedals. Diddy is the joke name, it's Deity. But 201, or no, MT200 is my fault. Got D, what is this? Yeah, SRAM derailleur and like drivetrain. I don't know the saddle name yet. I think it's Infinity or something like that. We have some like, it's like a mix of hybrid tires and street tires.
Yeah.
And I do ride a little bit of dirt, so that is pretty nice. And some little upgraded rotors. It's a really good bike. I might change the orange around, my fault, to like a magnesium color or a white or a black, one of the three. White?
White on white.
White would look clean, but it'd get dirty pretty fast, so I had to ride dirt. I say I ride dirt, but none of my videos are about me riding dirt. Because all the trails are buns. What happened?
My brakes just went down to the bar. I think there's a reason for that, but...
Bless you.
Oh, now they're back.
This brake feels so clean. I need to figure out how to tune my suspension. It's the low-key kind of buns, but it has a lot of potential to be really good. There's a lockout feature that doesn't work for some reason, so I have to learn how to fix that. In the meantime, though, it feels great. I might have the cleanest mountain bike in 843 now. Kid-wise, I know some adults who have like insane like Santa Cruzes cannot compete with that. I need to shut up and get some more wheelies in. I haven't done a lot. Ow, gangarang.
This little bum right here. Little bum. Hey, I'm filming you. I'm filming you. You're on camera.
So are you.
This look up.
You're also on camera.
Right, bud?
Look at him cutting up. I don't want to do that. Oh! Best wheelier in 843, by the way.
Yeah.
Little mark on the ground.
I gotta skip.
That was like one of my lightest crashes.
Lightest crashes.
I usually slam. I'm surprised I didn't slam the ground like I usually did.
When I rode my red BMX, I fell on like such a small jump, and I lost a chunk out of my arm, and like I rubbed everywhere on my body up. Why does the group feel so small?
We went to Chick-fil-A. Yeah.
We're going to Chick-fil-A?
Uh-huh. I'm just kidding.
Oh. Free Alani.
Who wants one thing? Oh my god.
You asked us free food. What do you think the answer's gonna be? Yo, hit this jump over here. Come over here. After this, we're gonna go to the Sphinx jump and then this other jump. But this is one jump right here. It's a curb one.
Like right now.
Sorry, it doesn't say who it is.
If they have apple fritters, I'm gonna get one. They're just so good. I'm so excited. Okay, now hold it. I grabbed the wrong iced tea.
You should low-key get me an icy.
Bro, I didn't realize they had tea. They got this other tea. The peaches. This combo Loki tastes really good, though.
Get the new Volkswagen van, the buses.
Those are-
Yeah.
Yeah, totally. Didn't say that looks clean. Here, try this.
The thing looks ass.
I know.
I'm not trying.
I put the wrong
looks
tea in it.
like this.
I put the wrong tea in it.
It looks like pee, bro.
You want to try some of
I
this?
was, not right now though. You should tag me.
Apple fritter. This is me. I'm editing the video right now, and I might have accidentally deleted some of the footage. Luckily, though, all we really did was just ride to Jacob's house, and there was nothing we really did. We had a few jumps, but they were low-key buns. So I'm just gonna continue video here. We need to make a pool edit.
What?
We need to make an edit by your pool. My bike is too clean. I'm gonna do a backflip into the pool because I totally know how to do that. I'll jump in with the GoPro.
No, don't.
They're waterproof.
I wouldn't.
Hold on. Hey Siri, is the GoPro 13 Hero Black waterproof?
I'll jump in if you jump in.
I am.
Alright.
We'll do a front flip.
Alright.
If I get Wi-Fi.
If you get Wi-Fi.
I'm gonna play with the GoPro. So,
With the helmet?
no, I'm not with the flipping helmet.
Get my name out your mouth.
I had to take off my shirt because it's soaked. Alright. I'm gonna do the fast wheelies. Bike alive! Bike alive!
Make sure to stay with me.
Yeah, I got you. Oh shit, you good? Hey! Let me touch your wheel. Bruh.
Alright, here, I'll go slow again.
Flung right off.
Yo, I thought that was good.
Am I tough without a shirt? Yo, is it gonna be muddy down there?
No, we're not going down there. Where are we going? Dennis's house.
Bro, I'm so buns at wheeling now because I don't want to get my seat wet. You know what? That's probably a good seat. I don't need to worry. This wind as well. Not helping. Dennis's house apparently. I want a donut. Throw it in my mouth.
I know I can't do that.
Yeah, this is good. I got my shirt tied.
Oh my gosh!
What's up, ladies?
No, respect it.
Ooh.
Yo, he's trying to touch his handle.
You should learn frame holds. They're really easy.
Ready?
If I hit you again, that'd be so funny. And I totally am not gonna hit you on purpose, you know?
Someone get that on recording. No one's trusted.
Yeah, I did my Grayson with the fuck tricks so far back, my foot got stuck.
Yo! How'd you get your ring all the way up there?
Don't ask. What's up, SoFi MTV?
Alright, let's ride.
Yo, Dennis, stay there. Okay. too. I know you do. So unfortunately my GoPro died, but this is the end of the video, so hit like, hit subscribe, check out the other YouTube channels. Also we have Supply MTB, we have Pedal with Oxy, MTB with Henry, we have 843 MTBL, we have Mr. Sully, and what's your YouTube? And we have 843 Huddy. So like, hit subscribe, and see ya. We got
Wait, Big Papa.
That hurt.
well,
You have a ton of different places.
Want to see my buzzers?
no.
No.